say some people, they don't really know their left, they don't know their right. Because if you go social media today, this one go campaign, this one go talk you, this one go talk you, this one go bring you, this one go bring you, right there. You wait they comment. The question where we get now today, not be me won't talk. Now one call in. You where they comment this comment now. Come call in. May you come tell me the document where they surround, the document where they cover Biafra. Come call in. May you come answer. That document one at the chat say, hey, Biafra, 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 everywhere you go now. Noise of Biafra everywhere, noise. Where the document where they guide that? Where I need that. Hello, my brother, you need to wait. Let me connect. Good evening, sir. I'm coming.
Enter to Bluetooth.
They come so that people can be hearing you now. It's not only me that will be hearing you.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, we are hearing you now.
Alright, like as I said before, I said good evening. So
Bluetooth cancelled. Bluetooth connected.
I really like the topic, you understand?
Okay.
Because our let's say the democracy of the day, they will say majority. Sometimes when majority are on the wrong side, you can imagine a lot of people that will be misled. You understand? For example, somebody will say, Nnamdi Kanu have a enemy follower and people follow him. But what if what he's teaching is a wrong thing? That means the whole thing that he's teaching and both the people that is following, all of them, they will also follow a wrong direction. You understand? So this topic now, you stated that Arewa, Oduduwa, Biafra, Niger Delta or Midwest, the one that have a legal
document.
Legal constitution, right?
Yes.
That is backing it up.
Yes.
As an indigenous people. So for me, I know fully well that after Nigeria was amalgamated in 1914, and the British as a colonial master was the head, were the one managing the country as a company, the way they call it is a company. So some people came out after they got the independence from the British in 1960 to say, we cannot continue to be under this colonial master. We as a people, as an indigenous people, we want to be on our own independence. You understand?
Yes.
So according to law, international law, so they did a referendum. When they did a referendum, 89.1% people voted yes to be on their own independence, which is what they refer as Sasa today or Edo and Delta. You understand? It was actually called Midwest Bende. It was 12 tribes. 12 tribes there are the one who voted yes to be on their own independence. So according to law, it is only these people that have the document, the legal documents, the people that have voted through referendum that can be able to stand up today to say, no, enough is enough. We really want to leave Nigeria. Because for any other person that is agitating for now, for me, I think they are just using this thing to strategies for politics. It's just politics. But when we come to reality, say, let's talk about reality, I think it's only Midwest that have the legal rights to say they want to, they want to even leave Nigeria as it is today. Because Western region, Northern region, Eastern region that was created by the colonial master, it was all created by a fiat. It was a fiat created by the colonial master. But the indigenous people, the people that is living on the soil, on the land, find out that there is a need for them to be on their own. So they all voted, they did the referendum, and they won the referendum. According to law, they won it. As I said before, 89.1 out of 100 voted yes to be on their own independence region or country. You understand? So as it is today, it is only Midwest in that Nigeria now that have the legal rights, the legal documents to say we want to be on our own. Enough is enough. You understand? But I know fully well these people located in this area, because there's so much belief on Pan-Africanism, they really don't want to move the motion to say we want to separate from Nigeria right now. That is why a lot of them here are still talking about, making Nigeria a great country whereby everybody will have equal rights, will be living as brothers and sisters. You understand? But according to the question, I've just answered that. Like Oduduwa, you said, like Oduduwa, which is a Western region, it was all created by a colonial master. It will be there is no vote for it, and they do not have the legal rights to back them up. You understand? And apart from that, it is only Benin Empire, which is where we are calling the Midwest today, or the Bende. That is actually Midwest Bende. That was recognized as a sovereign country or a sovereign nation even before the British came. You understand? So the question other region or whatsoever, they will be asking themselves, how do they get this name that they are bearing today? Who did the referendum for it? Who fought for it? Like this Biafra, they are saying, I know fully well that Biafra was located in a Guinea territory before. It was not even included in Nigeria territory. You understand? It was when Ojukwu was fighting to become the head of state as a military head. It was then he was angry with the other opponent, which is what is it called? Gowon. They were fighting for who will be the one that will be the military head of state. It was there because of the anger that he suggested that okay, they want to be on their own as an Igbo people. They want to be on their own. Since Ojukwu, what's it called? Gowon will not allow him to be the head. You know. These are just the facts I'm telling you now. So it was there that he was not looking for a name. He was not looking for a name that they will use to combine both the other people that were living with them with the Fiat region created by the military head, that was created by colonial master there, which are the British. It was there they were not looking for a name. So they now say, okay, they should start calling them Biafra. And for me, if you ask me what is Biafra, I will tell you Biafra is simply defined as killings, death, and bloodshed. Because just check it now, since 1963 that they said they declared the Republic of Biafra. Tell me what have they been able to benefit apart from killings every day, apart from killing themselves? Innocent people are killing themselves because of the name, alien name that they don't even know about. You understand? So your question is very vital for those of the people that is being misled, or they are just looking for popularity, or just looking for somebody that will be teaching them on how to hate. You understand? They should focus on reality. Reality is what we are talking about here. This is not about popularity, or this is not about population. You understand? Actually, the Midwest is up to about 14 million people in the last census they did in Nigeria. What's about 14 million people? There are more than so many countries. Even Denmark. They are more than Gambia. A lot of the landmass alone is more than every other country that is existing today. But like I said before, because they believe on Pan-Africanism, I believe that is why a lot of people are still praying or working hard to repair Nigeria, to make Nigeria a better place. But as things are going down, I think people are already are waking up, to stand for reality. Reality is what really matters. You understand? Yes. So what we are talking about now, for me as a person, it is restructuring. Let every region, every legal region begin to control their resources, take over their land, or everything that belongs to them. So my question, if any other person could call to tell me how they did referendum for them to be on their independence, I think I'm open to hear from them to learn, because for me, I only know that since after they got independence in 1962, a motion was raised that they want to be on their own from the Midwest. The indigenous people there is actually called
network. Okay, we can hear you, brother.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear you. I said no. I think I've answered your question,
Okay.
because I know fully well that in 1962 they started, organizing, and in 1963 they got the referendum, and they won it. They won the referendum. So it is only Midwest that I know that did a referendum, and they are capable to be called an independent sovereign region or whatsoever. If at all they want to even fight for their republic, they have every legal right to fight for it. But the other region that you are talking about were all created by fiat due to political strategies and all. You understand? Like the colonial masters. So this I can say for now, my sister. I'm still here.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, all those our neighbor, all those Biafra, one of the chat, now they make noise for social media. Now they talk up and down. Now, again one post where I even see for you. Now they say, Ododuwa and Biafra. The Ododuwa one are the even they clap for, or the Biafra one are they clap for. How many people gather? How many states? 5 states wanna get for the Biafra land. Now all of them come together to say, okay, we want to do referendum for Biafra. Say Biafra must come. We must get documents where it surrender Biafra. How many people vote for that referendum? How many people? I want Biafra person to come and call, because I know say tomorrow una they argue. Where something like this go dey grant to ask, una no go gree come out. If not to talk with una no know all the old brainwash where una leader don dey brainwash una, they don't brainwash una for what una no even know. If you go today now, they tell you say when Nigeria want to share today, Nigeria is going to share into 2. Ododuwa is going to take one side, Biafra is going to take one side. Even the Biafra, the Ododuwa, na never even do referendum. Na never even do one. Even I watch one video, get one video where I watch, where one Yoruba man come outside, come say, even though Nigeria won't share today, na think say Lagos people go with Ibadan people. Do you think that if Nigeria share today, that Lagos people is going to go with the other states? Beji people are just making noise on social media. When Nigeria break, Ododuwa is going to take one part, Biafra is going to take one part. Una never even do referendum. Una not even get any document where you even secure the Biafra. Una not even get any legal document where you even be say secure the Ododuwa. Una just they make noise for social media. You are making noise. Even where the time where Ojukwu even come and say, where you even bring out Biafra, where Ojukwu bring out Biafra, there is nobody that even stand for it. There is nobody that even vote for it. Nobody even do referendum for Biafra. Nobody. Just like as I just say now, if you just come out to say, okay, now Nigeria won't break, okay, with the South region or with the Edo state, see where we want belongs to. We all they agitate. Without no document, nobody even sign her. Nobody sign her. If you not say maybe Nigerian leaders they sign this Biafra they get document where they secure Biafra. Call in. This one is not time to fight. This one is not time to insult. Just come and call. May you just bring out your view. How many people, how many states, whether Anambra state or Imo state or Enugu state, where they do referendum, where they bring Biafra come outside, come and call in to contribute.